I just came across an indicator on Tradingview that gets over an 80% win rate. It gives easy-to-follow buy and sell signals with profit targets and stop losses. Despite its simplicity, the indicator is highly accurate and profitable. It has various modes to choose from depending on the time frame and traded security. In this step-by-step guide, I will teach you how to create your own highly profitable trading strategy with this magic tool. This tutorial will be useful for both beginners and professional traders. All right, let's jump right into the tutorial. So I am currently viewing the Solana price chart on the 15-minute time frame. To add this indicator to the chart, simply search for the Imbalance Algo by Imba Trading. The Imbalance Algo is a trend-following indicator based on Fibonacci retracement. Unlike a traditional ATR-based supertrend indicator that issues buy and sell signals when price closes above or below the ATR band, the Imbalance Algo gives entry signals when at least one candle closes above the 0.236 Fibonacci level for long trades or below the 0.786 level for short trades. This unique algorithm makes the Imbalance Algo 10 times better than supertrend or any other trend-following chart indicator. Generally, when the indicator band is green and the price moves above it, the market is heavily controlled by buyers. When the price moves below the line and the line is green, this signals a weakness of an uptrend. On the other hand, when the band is red and the price moves below it, this indicates a strong bearish trend. As soon as the price closes above the red band, the market starts slowing down. A distinctive feature of this indicator is its backtest panel. With this panel, you can dynamically view the results of the current strategy's performance, such as the win ratio, the number of closed trades, the winning and losing streaks, the account balance, and the total profit made. These features make it easier for traders to track all the data needed for building a profitable trading strategy. The total profit made is indicated as a percentage of the initial deposit. It is also worth considering that all profit calculations are based on a risk percentage. You can adjust the risk percentage in the indicator inputs. It is strongly recommended to risk between 1 and 2% of your account balance per position. Here, you can also change the initial account balance. For example, if you're planning to start trading with 100 USD, simply set this value to 100. At the top of the inputs, there is an option to select a different trading strategy. For example, if we change the current strategy to a 15-minute one, we will see that the win rate changes. Let's keep the strategy manual. You can also adjust the signal sensitivity. I recommend setting this number to 15 for Solana on the 15-minute time frame. Keep in mind that with good settings, the indicator works great on any market and any time frame. If we scroll down, we can see more customization options for money management. These are particularly useful depending on your trading strategy. You can set a fixed stop loss or an automatic one based on market volatility. When it comes to taking profit, you can select the percentage of the position to take off once the price reaches a particular target. For example, when the price hits TP1, 40% of the position is taken off. When the second target is reached, another 30% of the position is closed. This advanced money management system allows you to increase your winning rate as well as decrease the drawbacks. However, you can still use more simplistic trade management. All you need to do is set the take profit 1:8 for a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio with a condition to take 100% of your position off once price reaches the target. So, how does the indicator work in practice? When there is a strong buying interest and the market forms large bullish candlesticks, the trend changes from bearish to bullish. A buy signal is generated in the form of a green triangle. The indicator displays entry price, stop loss price, and take profit price automatically. If the price moves in your favor and reaches the first take profit target, the stop loss is adjusted to the break-even price. More often than not, the price will trigger a stop loss and the position will be closed. However, sometimes the price reaches all targets. As I mentioned earlier, you can adjust the distance from the entry price to the take profit target price in the indicator's inputs. When there is a strong selling pressure and the lower Fibonacci level gets broken, the indicator produces a sell signal right away. The Imbalance Algo gives stop-loss and take-profit recommendations. Set the stop-loss at the red line. When the price reaches the first TP, move the stop-loss to the entry price and take 40% of your position at this point. When the price reaches the second TP, adjust the stop-loss to the previous target and take 30% of your position off. You get the idea. As we can see, this trade resulted in a 1.34% profit. To stretch the indicator's accuracy even further, I recommend adding a simple trend filter to the chart. This would eliminate sell signals in a long-term bullish trend and cancel buy signals during a heavy sell-off. Notice when the price is trending upwards, any sell signals that occur during this time barely reach the profit targets. Most of them result in break-even or loss. For the second confirmation indicator, I recommend adding an oscillator instead of another overlay tool like a moving average, etc. I found a good oscillator called Trend Strength Over Time by this creator right here. This simple yet effective filter will cancel buy and sell signals that go against the prevailing market sentiment. The oscillator is neither too slow nor too fast. It's just right. Generally, a buy signal given by the Imbalance Algo tool is valid if the oscillator reading is above 0 at the time of entry. Watch how this simple rule in place cancels potential losing trades. The same rule applies to short signals. If the oscillator reading is below 0 at the time of the signal, entry is confirmed. Traders, give these indicators a try and let us know in the comments if you have any ideas or suggestions on how to optimize this trading strategy.